Today we're going to talk about how to play Quizlet in your modules from Canvas. So this is a home page, and typically on your home page I will have modules on the side right here, and I'll have modules here, so in case you're clicking onto the class or whatever, it's hopefully easier for you to get to. So we are going to go down to Unit 1. And if you see here, it says Unit 1, who we are. How I have all of your chapters or your units organized is Unit 1, your notes and all of your due dates, all of your work is in this folder here or this page here. So you click on who we are, and what happens is it opens up and you see notes, activities, study guide for your test. Here it's where you can turn in your activities, and then there's your first Quizlet. On this unit you have 2. So we open this Quizlet up, and what we see here is we have a start game page. So we'll click start game, and we don't really want to play the matching, we're going to play the test. So you go down here to choose study mode, and it says click here, and then you'll see tests. So we want to click on test. So these tests usually have 10 to 20, maybe 25 questions on them. So you want to play this test, and when you get to the end of the test, you will see a screen that pops up like this. And what you want to do is you want to click check your answers. So when you click check your answers, this is the next screen that pops up. And this is the screen that I will need for your grade, because it shows the grade, and I will record this as a participation grade, so you can get a 20 or 30, whatever, but it'll go down as 100 in the participation book. So this is the grade that I need. So you screenshot this grade, and as you screenshot this grade, then you save it. So as you save the grade, then you're going to screenshot, then you're going to submit the assignment right up here in Canvas, right here where it says submit assignment. So you click submit, and then you choose your file. So choose your file, cruise down here, and I've got a bunch of files here, so just go to Quizlet, and then I upload, and I click open, and then there it is, and then I just submit assignment. And this is how you submit, this is how you take and submit a Quizlet assignment. Hopefully this helps you a little.